Thinking about diving into crypto with Moonpay but worried about getting burned? Moonpay promises a seamless way to buy and sell crypto. But is it the real deal? First, let's check their security. Look for things like SSL encryption to protect your data, two-factor authentication for added security, and regular security audits. Moonpay claims to use these, but always double-check on their site. Next, regulation is key. Are they registered with financial authorities in your country or region? This means they have to follow certain rules and regulations to protect users. Customer reviews can be a goldmine. Search for Moonpay reviews on sites like Trustpilot and Reddit. Pay attention to common complaints or praises about transaction speeds, customer service, and overall user experience. Compare Moonpay's fees with other platforms. Hidden or excessively high fees can be a red flag. Make sure you understand all the costs involved before making a purchase. So, is Moonpay legit? Ultimately, the decision is yours. Do your homework, weigh the pros and cons, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Subscribe for more crypto deep dives.